Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to How Much Quarter Panel is in my Bondo. This whole panel is Bondo. All of it.
That's not supposed
to look. What the fuck?
That's not supposed to look like that at all.
All of it.
All of it. Why? We don't know.
Everything from here to here and all down here is Bondo. Which means all of this was probably Bondo too and it just came off.
Is there a reason why they did it?
That means this whole thing was probably bashed in.
Yeah.
And this is just what remained.
Yeah. So it was at that moment that I put a whole bag of jelly beans in the trash can because they were rotten. The fuck you thought I was gonna say?
Yeah, I believe you.
That's cap.
Yeah, go show him the trash can, huh?
I ain't walking all the way over there.
Ah, my bad. My bad.
Yeah.
Legend has it that at one point, this was all metal.
Once.
Now, what I'm guessing is someone just took a tub, went like...
Jesus.
And covered the whole thing.
Someone basically busted a fat Bondo.
Cleanest car in all of Greens Point.
This is all facts, no printer, and I've only been out here for 3 years? Shit, I don't know. Yeah.
Remember we went down there? This car looked the best out of all of them. That was sad.
That was a certified damn it boy moment.
Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this.
You gotta fix that.
Originally I was gonna weld sticks to it. I might just drill holes and just do the same thing. Just without welding, because I still have gas in my tank.
Oh yeah, gas
I
go
don't want to
boom.
set it on fire. I don't want to go.
Yeah, we don't want big fireball.
Yeah.
It's already red. Take two.
Okay. So I can't take you serious.
Take three.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have to get all the Bondo off if I want to use Bondo again. And I'm going to have to, because it's not going to be perfectly straight.
Yeah, you got to unbondo the Bondo before you rebondo the Bondo, right?
Yes. So basically, I got to figure out how far back this goes and then redo it.
We're going on a Bondo adventure.
Yeah, apparently.
Indeed.
I love looking at my Prelude, man. It's just like, when you look at this side, it's so good. You know?
Agreed. Nice
clean.
and shiny, even though it's dusty.
Check side.
Check side.
What the fuck, bro?
Hey, yo! What the heck? We go again.
So while I was picking up the jack from his house, the pee-pee poo-poo man came or something. I don't know.
That's tough, man.
It's because I rolled that stop sign yesterday. And that one guy saw. The guy who hates me.
So this is what we going. Never mind, I'm not going to say that. I ain't trying to get you canceled. We're not going to do that.
Okay.
And now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Back to sanding.
Yeah. All right, what'd you do this time?
I broke my sandpaper.
Ah! Hey, Alex.
What's up? Oh,
Here's your sandpaper.
Doing this with gloves on is... Bro, I can't grip.
You know, it would help if you took the gloves off.
Nah, I'm not a bitch.
Maybe you are. No.
Where are the scissors at?
Let's see. What is that right there? Oh my God. Scissors.
These ain't scissors. These are two knives put together.
Bitch, that's a...
This is still two knives, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut the f...
Bro, sandpaper's the sandpaper, man.
Yeah. Gotta fight fire with fire, right?
Yeah. Good enough.
Talking about some 2 knives.
I just realized something. Yo, it's free cocaine! Bro, how did I break this already?
Bro, stop breaking shit.
Bro, I told you, it's 2 knives. 1 knife, 2 knives.
That's just broken scissors.
No. Oh,
You're trash. You're trash.
A little bit. Don't let this distract you from the. Don't let this distract you from the fact that triangles aren't real. They're government ploys made by the government. Wait. Yeah. Government ploys made by the government into selling more bricks. Why? Because what is a square? 2 triangles. What are 2 triangles? 2 more triangles. What are those triangles? 2 more triangles. I think this paint's getting
Where
to me.
the fuck did that come from?
I think this paint's getting to me, bro.
I think you need to. You need
What
help.
is a circle?
A circle's a circle.
It's just infinitely small triangles.
No, that's not how that works. Prove it right now.
All right. So you get a circle, right? A triangle is like this. Now you just keep it. Have you ever seen the unit circle before? What is it made of?
I'm not answering
It's
that.
12 triangles, right? Just
Sure.
keep making them smaller, and eventually you get a circle.
Actually, this is a circle. I don't think that's supposed to look like that. Wait. So if you have on the goggles and the glasses, does that make you 8 eyes instead of 4 eyes?
No, I think it's 6 eyes.
Oh,
Wait,
I mean,
is it does it multiply or add? Is it 6 or 8? Vote. Do we have more sandpaper?
let me go look.
Oh, yeah. I found some. Alright. We're gonna go to a certain parts store I cannot name.
Yeah, we don't want the ops to find out.
Yeah. So we're gonna buy more sandpaper so I can continue making candy cane magic fairy dust.
Candy cane magic fairy dust. That's what we
Candy cane
calling it
magic
now?
fairy dust.
All right, off to the Yellow Hornet we go.
3 hours later, the light's still red.
Bro didn't even know how to get the auto
Shut
zone.
up!
Bro got lost trying to go to AutoZone. Alright. You know where you're going now?
Yes, I know where I'm at. Ah!
Do you?
No,
Turn left.
I'm gonna turn over here.
Bro missed the turn.
That car was in the way. I'm not gonna do that.
Bro missed the turn. How aggressive are we gonna be?
Yes.
40 or 80?
Yes.
Yes.
As aggressive as possible.
I don't want to scuff it up too bad, but I do want to scuff it up though.
Or just get both, just in case. You know.
I'm gonna get 80.
Okay, fine.
Bro,
Cool.
why are you here?
Bro's from Colorado.
Look, I know I'm from Louisiana, but like, why are you here? That's like, what, how many hours from here?
18 about.
Okay, me, like
Anyways,
6.
we got the gabagook.
We got the gabagook. The gabagook.
Fuck, my bad.
Yeah.
Did you know
Oh, God.
that pocket sand? Oh, the scissors broke. Wait to put my gloves on and PPE because my mom works for OSHA.
Oof.
Does your mommy work for? Oh wait. paint under the Bondo?
I can't answer that one.
Bondo comes off, it turns red.
Yeah, that's paint.
Alright, well, we started breaking the wire wheel, so it's getting all uneven.
Oh no.
And the wire wheel's just straight up coming apart, and it's just, So we're gonna go on another road trip.
Road trip again. Time for me to get lost again. Woo!
Yeah!
What's up?
We getting the wire wheel. We get with the wire wheel. We get the wire wheel. Wire wheel. Maybe. We just stepped outside the Home Depot. What is this? What is this? All right, I guess you got a free shout out. Goddamn. That shit fucking huge. He's just like me for real. All right, hold up. His car doesn't want to work, so I guess we gotta fix that. I got you, bro. I got you. All right, well, maybe I'm too good or something. I don't know, but it's running.
Yeah.
Let's go.
The Texas temporary tag.
That's the shit I wish I had. What? Oh.
That was bought in another state.
Yep.
Yeah.
Someone already wrecked the new crossover. What the fuck?
We make a shitty version of Fast and Furious. We got a G35 and a Mustang sitting outside. You know what?
And you know what?
Vin gasoline.
And you know what?
Vin gasoline.
Gasoline and the Pebble.
Where's the Pebble?
The rock. It's off brand. It's the Pebble.
What am I? I'm just the guy.
And I am...
No fat Jesus. No scrape.
It'll scrape anyways.
I am...
What do you lower it on anyways? Lowering springs or coils?
Coils, Megan
They're blown
Racing,
out.
but they're blown.
They are blown
Shake
out.
it. Ah!
All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your phone,
Oh shit, okay.
and now,
Give me my phone back, bitch!
stop it.
I really like the sound of things grinding on each other.
Hey, yo.
Especially men. It just sounds
Oh
good.
no. We gotta go home, Benny. We gotta go home. You can have your phone back. Pause it on that, and we're gonna
change the taillights.
change taillights.
We're gonna change the taillights.
We're gonna change the
Until I can
taillights.
find more metal dowels so I continue pulling this shit.
Yeah.
That's actually what I'm thinking about wrapping the G in.
Alright, so I'm taking out the old taillights. Mr. Benny Boy G35 over here is removing some of the tint so that we don't kill ourselves.
Bro, look at his big ass forehead.
I'm going to cut you.
Alright,
You wouldn't sell that car even though.
I'm gonna take the tint off here so that people can see my brake light, but the rest of this is staying.
Brake light. Hey, brake, you got to stop.
Shit's gonna be one of one, I think.
I'm gonna go buy Prelude and do the exact same thing. I'm gonna beat it up in the exact same way.
Bro's just gonna replicate the lewd.
Yeah, 1 or 2, jackass.
Fuck you!
Actually, what we're gonna do, we're gonna RB swap this.
Okay. I ain't got the money for that.
That was a joke. We're not doing
Such a great idea.
We fucking back here again. Alright, so acetone and mineral spirits, just all the way around. They're not working, so I'm trying to use sandpaper to scuff it up a bit. And then I'm gonna try and use a nail polish remover to get the rest of it off. I masked this off where the body line is. So it's black, and then it follows the line of the trunk, and this is gonna be red. And I think it's gonna look sick when it's done. I did a little bit more sanding down here. I'm trying to make this straight so I can really see the whole dent. And then whenever I use Bondo, I have room to just add it.
Yes.
Face fitting's already down there and up there. I'm gonna have to add it anyways. Anyways, Twice came back with the nail polish remover. Let's start removing nail polish.
I got weird looks.
We gonna be moving this fucking tint paint thing. Wait. Oh, I'm a genius. I left the acetone on top of it. Wait, hold.
So you mean to tell me? So you mean to tell me that we ain't even? I'm going home. This some bull.
Well, I'm not gonna Bondo the whole thing like this.
Well, obviously not.
If I
but-
did, it'd just come off. Like the moment I hit a pothole, pop, there it goes.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do instead is drill some holes like this.
Like
Just
they
drill
already
them
did right
all the way down here, probably like 2-inch spaced apart. Get like an L pick or something. Get a stud
there.
gun.
L.
Just-
L.
pull it.
Pull.
And maybe I can get it within about 1/4 inch of where it's supposed to be. And then use Bondo. So that shouldn't fall off. Fingers crossed. So you mean to tell me?
A shrimp fried that rice.
Apparently, bro. There's no way. There is no
Ain't no
way.
way. Ain't no way,
A
boy.
shrimp fried
Ain't
this
no
way.
way.
Ain't no.
Ain't no way.
Yes, anyways, the Prelude go. What the fuck are you doing? Bro really said, I'm finna whip this out.
Yeah. Wait. You can make your own quick release.
Bro got the wheel with no airbag.
All right, so I'm gonna tell you what we learned today. So before we end this, what we learned today: don't leave your car unattended, or somebody gonna draw on your shit. And keep that thing on you at all times.
All right, check back for part 6. Peace.